Acids, bases, and salts. You know, there are about 115 known elements at present. These elements combine to form a large number of compounds. On the basis of their chemical properties, they are divided into or classified into three groups. There are acids, bases, and salts. Depending upon the chemical properties of the compounds formed on reaction of all these elements, three type of compounds are formed. They are acids, bases, and salts. Let us start with acids and bases. First of all, we have to know how do we know about which one is an acid or a base. For that purpose, an indicator is required. Indicator is required. In the earlier classes also, you came close to that topic regarding what that indicators, litmus in the 9th classes also. An indicator is a dye that changes color. Indicator is a dye that changes color. It's a dye. Change in color देते हैं. Change in color. Indicator is a dye that change in color when it put in acid or base. It gives different color in different medium, like in acidic medium and in basic medium. They give different colors. Thus, an indicator tells us whether the substance we are testing is an acid or base by the change in its color. In other words, we can say an indicator tells us whether the substance we are testing is acidic or basic. The three most common indicators to test acids and bases are litmus, methyl orange, and phenolphthalein. Litmus, methyl orange, and phenolphthalein. The most common indicator used in the laboratory to test acids and bases are litmus. Litmus can be used in the form of litmus solution or litmus paper in its two colors, blue and red. In an acidic medium, acidic medium, blue litmus change its color to red. And in a basic medium, red changes its color to blue. So conveniently, we will say a drop of a given solution turns blue litmus into red, then we will say it is an acid. And a drop of a given solution turns red litmus into blue, we will say it is a basic solution. Okay? Litmus is a natural one, natural indicator. Litmus is a natural indicator. Its normal color is purple, and for our convenience we will make it red and blue for testing it in acid and basic medium. Next one is methyl orange. Methyl orange. Methyl orange. A drop of methyl orange added in a solution make that given solution red in color if it is an acid. Methyl orange gives an yellow color in a basic medium. Okay, if it is neutral or colorless, we will say it is a neutral solution. Phenolphthalein indicator, next one is phenolphthalein indicator. Phenolphthalein indicator is colorless in acidic medium and it is having a pink tinge in basic one. These are known as synthetic indicators. These are known as synthetic. Indicators. What is litmus? Litmus is extracted from lichen. Lichen is a symbiotic relation between algae and fungus. It's an extract from living organisms. Next one is turmeric. That's also its extract is also used as an indicator. Next, red cabbage. It is also used in finding out whether it's an acid or a base. Next one is olfactory indicators. What is that? Olfactory indicators. Olfactory, the word itself denoting that it is related to smell. Something related to smell. Those substances whose smell changes in acid or basic solution are called olfactory indicators. We can make the extract of onion and vanilla. Onion has a characteristic smell that you know. When a basic solution like sodium hydroxide is added to a closed strip treated with onion extract, then the onion smell cannot be detected. No smell. Onion smell cannot be detected. An acidic solution like hydrochloric acid, HCl. An acidic solution like hydrochloric acid, it does not destroy the smell. In basic medium, it destroys the smell of onion, and hydrochloric acid smell is not affected. If smell is not affected, that is onion smell is not affected, that is an acidic medium. And if smell is not having any smell, then it is a basic medium. The same thing, vanilla extract also, we can put it in the solution of sodium hydroxide. Then we cannot detect the character smell of no smell of what? Vanilla. And in hydrochloric acid solution, no effect of acid on vanilla smell. This type of indicators which give the presence of acids and bases with the help of smell, it's known as olfactory indicators. We can say onion and vanilla are olfactory indicators.